Here is a front fender replacement. We're gonna do a remove and replace. So grab a Phillips screwdriver. There are 4 screws holding the front fender. So remove that one by one. You don't need a lot of force removing the screw or putting them back. It's a pretty straightforward process. And to access the screws, you can just simply tilt the steering wheel to access the screws in the back. Just like that. All right. Steerings or the front fender is removed. And to install is pretty much a reverse process. Make sure you align the mounting points. And screw in all the screws. I like to go the opposite pattern so they're properly aligned. And just a hand tight is okay. Do not use a power tool because it'll be very easy to strip the screw